I like to push out all my baby hairs, and then of course I'm using EcoStyle Gel and a toothbrush, and my technique is just to kind of go along with the natural flow of my baby hairs. So I like to go down and just curve it a little bit, go down, hold it, and then curve it, go down, hold it, and then curve it like into my hairline, and make like a little loop, if that makes sense. Just like a little curve, so it's not like super just straight, if that makes sense. I don't know. You see, I'll brush a little, then hold it to make that curve in the end. And some people like to use a comb for this, but I prefer a brush just for that natural look. And that's pretty much it. I mean, I like my baby hairs more natural looking, so I try not to manipulate them too much. But yeah, this is how I do my baby hairs. Super simple. Hope that helped.